For the Lord will vindicate his people and have compassion on his servants. Psalm 135 verses 14. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovista channel. I trust you're doing so well and thank you so much for coming back. Yes, we have yet another detox recipe right here before the holidays. This is going to be super easy and so simple, so please stay tuned while I walk you through this cucumber, ginger and lemon detox. Have a few ingredients here. We have our cucumbers. Yes, the greener the better. I have about 5 of them. I have some ginger roots. It always depends on how much ginger you can take, right? And here I have some lemons, 2 of them, and 1 lime. So simple, and I'll be using some water as well. Just in case you missed any, it will be listed down below for your convenience. I'll just start by washing each and every one of them to ensure that they are all clean. I am focusing so much on the ginger roots because I will be using the skin as well. I'm keeping the skin on because I want to flush as many toxins as possible, but you can also decide to peel off the skin, which is absolutely fine as well. But I really love to have all the skin on both the cucumber and the ginger. Okay, so yes, we are done, and look how beautiful they look. All that I'll be doing right now is to cut them into smaller pieces. It's going to be easier for the blender to blend. Yes, and if you have a juicer at home, it will be even easier for you to use that. I just wanted to use the blending version just so that everyone can make it. And so yes, juicer or not, you can make this happen real quick. Okay, so once everything has been chopped, I'll go ahead and then add it to the blender, and we will be blending this all up. And also be mindful that the cucumber contains lots of juice, so you do not have to add too much water. So all that I added is 1 cup to this blending, and I was able to get 2 liters out, and I was able to do twice. So in all, I got 4 liters of juices, which was amazing. That green color is just amazing. Let's just take a moment. The greener the better. So once it's done blending up, I'll just go ahead and strain it. I use my filter here to strain everything. Works so well. This is for fruit bag. It's a fruit bag that I bought in the supermarket, but it works so well. So amazing job it did. So yes, you go ahead and squeeze the juice out. That is all that you need. Okay, so healthy. Yes, all that you need to do is to repeat until you've gotten all your juices out. Going ahead to also reblend it again and add the rest of the cucumber and the ginger and do the second blending because I want to get out lots of juice as possible. Yes. So it's all done now. Yay! We go ahead and add it in our jug, and yes, we are ready to clear out all these toxins, y'all. super vibrant. But you might also ask that where is the lemon and the lime? We will come to that very soon, but right now all that I would do is to clear off the foamy substance on top, and it is ready to now receive our lime and lemon juice. We're going ahead to squeeze that out and add it to the rest of the juice. I always like to get as much juice from the lemon as possible, so I like to roll it on the surface and just press it. You can also decide to press it directly, but I'm going to use the lemon presser here, and we will be extracting as much juice from this lemons and lime as much as we can. That is it. Super simple, fam. So yes, that is it. We have extracted as much juices as we can, and we're going ahead to add it to the rest of the juice, and we will be ready to cleanse out all the toxins in our body. I really feel like we need it in these our days. We are always so busy, we don't have much time for exercise, so we need to clear out the toxins that we have in our body one way or the other. And I feel like this juice cleanse really very much needed. Please add some ice to it for it to be very easier for you to drink it if you feel like it's too strong. Okay, thank you so very much, family, for watching. I really appreciate your time, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch, and my main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much once again for watching, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Have a blessed day.